All right, well, here's Mama. This is the hen that was acting funny. I thought she might have been egg bound. I gave her the old, I soaked her and lubed her up, tried to make sure that if there was an egg. I just think she's old. I don't think she's even laying any eggs anymore. She's an older hen. She's at least 2. She might be 3. But I got her separated. She just doesn't have a lot of energy. She just sort of, and her back end does pulsate. So I don't know. All I can do is, it's been a couple days now. There's nothing you can really do with the chicken, poor thing. Just let her go and try to keep her comfortable. I got her in a nice soft bed, and she's got her own food and water, and she's not being picked on by the roosters. So we'll just have to see what happens. Either she's going to get better, or she just might be old and she's just slowing way down. A lot of people just go ahead and when a chicken quits laying eggs, I usually just go ahead and go into the cooking pot. I usually don't do that with my hens, but I might be doing it in the future because I'm going to be having so many more hens. But we'll have to see. But I just wanted to show you she's still alive, kicking. She just chills. She's able to, I built her a little pen. She's able to fly up on top. She's able to run. I mean, when I had to catch her yesterday, it was no easy feat. So, I don't know. We'll see. And then everybody in here, all right? Everybody in here causing trouble. Here's all the youngins. See how they're all getting bigger. There's the little small one. Right, guys? Huh? Huh? What do you think? But you can see they're, well, you probably can't tell from here, but that little white one is about the size of that guinea hen. So I think she'll be all right in there. They might pick on her, and if they do, I'll just take her back out and I'll build her a little pen in here so she's at least communicating. I might even do that anyhow. I might just because I can build a little diagonal pin in here or something. Yeah, we're gonna have to start building pins anyhow, so I might do that instead, just so she has, she's socializing. Yeah. All right. I'll be back. All right. Well, here's one of those. I'm gonna see if you can see that little cell right there that they're making. It's round. That's a queen cell. Whoops. I'm not on the right spot. Where you guys at? See if I can find it. There it is. See that little cell right there? That's a queen cell. So they are making, where'd it go? There it is. They are making a queen cell out of that grub. You can even see the grub down in there. So these guys are making a queen cell, and the other ones I did were over here, and they just sort of fixed them. But that one there, they said, hey, we had a couple enterprising young bees. Get off there. So yeah, we'll let it go and see if they it'll take, what, 6 days? I have to check my calendar again. I always forget that. How long until they actually seal it off? But we'll keep watching it. I'll be back. Yeah, it's a little cool out here. I don't know if you can see all the bees flying. It's not cool, it's just damp weather. There's a little breeze blowing. And they weren't real happy with me opening their hive. But they should cap that queen cell in 7 or 8 days. It takes 21 days total for a queen. Today's the 8th of April. Same amount of time as the chicks. So on the 29th of April, we should have a hatch. Well, we should have a hatch, and I'll have to check all my numbers again. But she should take her maiden flight, or her virgin mating flight, in the 1st of May, if everything works out. I'll check all my numbers again and I'll come back to you on that. But now that I got them shut up, everybody went back in. The reason they're so touchy is because there's a lot of forager bees in there that would rather be foraging than being inside that hive. So they're just not made. They're just trying. Everybody's staying in right now. They have food, but they're trying to keep everything warm. Might even get a bigger stick and close that entrance off more. But anyhow, I'll be back. Okay, well, we brought the guinea hen out to meet everybody else. So far, it has a crazy defense. I don't know if you can see what it's doing right now, but it backs up and it spreads its wings when something gets near it. So far, the chickens are all scared of it. They're all hiding down here. There's a couple of them, the lead guys, they're actually going and checking him out. But so far, there's no bloodshed. I'm sure there's going to be some getting used to each other, but the guinea hen needed some socializing. It didn't need to keep living by itself. So he or she should be fine in here. There'll be a pecking order thing. I've been told that if it's a male, he could be quite dominant. But you can see how he flares his wings out and makes himself bigger. It's pretty cool. I mean, he definitely's got them buffaloed. You got 10 chickens here, who are all being chickens, man. And he's just, or she, is just sort of checking things out. I've been feeding them game feed so that when this one got in here, it wouldn't get into any of that medicated chick feed. Hopefully it doesn't find any on the ground. We'll see. There won't be mass doses of it because I'm not feeding these guys the medicated stuff no more. Just because of this chick. She has to have a higher protein food. And then we got another chick over there that's hiding. And as far as the hen, she's outside right now. The one that was sick, she's the one that was sick. Now see, they're sort of mingling. Yeah, there's going to be that. See, this is probably a little rooster, little pecking order. He's just sort of going around saying, "Hey, I'm top dog." And this one here, if it's a male, might come back to this little rooster and say, "Oh yeah." But anyhow, as far as I got distracted, and there'll be that. The little guinea hen will understand that not to mess with this one. And this one here, once it establishes its dominance, should leave it alone. But I got distracted again. As far as the hen goes, she's got a disease called water belly. And it's just a matter of old age, heart failure, liver failure. She's 3 years old. There's a way you can actually, I see he's the little guinea hen's fast. She's fast. She just runs in and hides, and so she loses this